Hey, it's Atif here, one of the SEO executive at Parliament. Today we are gonna study video schema, like if you have added videos on your website and now you want to rank for those videos separately or something like that. What you can do extra is you can add video schema onto your website. So let me show you how you can embed that schema. There are basically three methods. The first one is the Rank Math SEO plugin directly add the schema if you turn on the option. But if you need to build it by your own, then what you can do is copy the link of that specific video and then open it in over here. Copy the complete link from here and then go to InstantSchema.com, click on generate schema, and then from here we are gonna select which type of schema we need to generate because this is the YouTube video that we have embedded over here. I wanna click over here, and then it shows two modes, the automatic and the manual mode. So in the automatic one, what we can do is just paste the link like this and click on fetch video details, then it will generate the complete schema by itself. But if you need to build the schema by your own because you don't need few of the fields to be added over here, what you can do is click on the manual schema, and over here what you need to do is to paste the video name. For example, that is this one, and then it asks for the description. I have pasted over here, and whatever details you have, you can fill over here. But if you don't want to include any of one, then you can leave the field empty. Like I am not gonna add the thumbnail URL, so I am leaving this field empty. I can add the upload date when the video was uploaded. For example, that's this, and duration. I can add it from here, and then it's asking for the embed URL. I can copy that from here, copy embed code, and it will be shown somehow like this. What you need to do is in the embed code you need to paste especially this one that's under the source attribute. So we are gonna paste simply this link over there, and that's it. We can also add the interaction count, but if we don't need those, we can leave those empty, and here the schema code will be generated. All thing you need to do is just copy it from here, go to the page where you have added the video, and then add an elemental field called HTML over under that specific video. And then what we need to do is copy the code from that website, simply paste it over here and click on the publish button. So now your videos will be optimized with schema 2, and that's how we can get more views and get rankings on the videos by added the video schemas on our website.